In the latest bond update, we give you a quick highlight of the latest upgrades to our softball and baseball fields. The first two phases of the project have been completed. Here is a look at Phase 3, which will be completed in December of 2022.
I feel like this field is going to benefit us a lot.
It's been really good to see the first two phases completed at our other campuses and see the impact that that has had on our programs. And we're excited about seeing that, obviously, with this phase as we're dealing with Cy Springs and Cy Park and Bridgeland.
Better ways to contract these types of projects out, more efficient construction sequencing, the need for additional paving and fencing around the fields to better support our student athletes, and the challenges associated with locating underground utilities at some of our older campuses. We don't have to mow these fields. We don't have to purchase herbicides to control weed growth.
The amount of practice time that we've been able to gain because we can immediately get out after a rainstorm and practice. The additional areas like the bullpens and some of the batting cages that have been put in to allow extra areas for kids to work with coaches to develop the skills. All of those things have made a huge impact.
Kids will want to come out here and play on a field like this and just want to be a part of something. I feel like this right here is going to help us.
That project is going to be amazing. We'll be able to address a lot of the floodings and mitigate some of the flooding that occurs in that area. We'll also be able to reorient the athletic fields like they should be and upgrade our baseball, softball, football, soccer, tennis courts.
The facilities themselves have created a great source of pride really for our athletes, our coaches, and our community. We've even had, again, other communities attend games at our facilities, and when they see what our kids have here, I think that they've been very impressed and they've wanted to come back. And so it's been just a fantastic project for us in athletics.